like to make boating as convenient, as hassle-free, and as enjoyable as possible. So whether that means service, sales, storage, anything else they might need from a boating perspective, they can get by calling one phone number or coming to one place.
For me, it's an amazing way to connect with my family. I see it with my customers. They get on their boats, they go places, they spend time with their family and friends. It's something that's pretty unique these days to be able to get away like that.
I believe company culture is why we are successful at what we do. We all have a common goal, and that's to get people out on the water and share this culture with others.
We sell the premium products in the marketplace for the lifestyle that our customers enjoy. We look to support our clients' boating desires with the best that the industry has to offer.
From the top of our company down, it's about the boating experience, and it's about changing lives so that you can feel confident, feel comfortable of how to operate your boat, how to get out and enjoy it, because here it's about boating.
If you want clients to enjoy boating and to continue boating, then show them how to do that and create opportunities for them to do it, and that's what our Getaways program is all about.
Here at MarineMax, we could do getaways as close as South Seas or Tween Waters, and then we do ones that are further away, like in the Keys or the Bahamas. And this is just getting our customers on the water and able to explore different places.
We have 2 full-time team members that are committed to securing financing for clients, arranging insurance, Coast Guard documentation, registration, and having those services self-contained ensures our clients don't have to go looking for them. We provide them at the moment that they need them.
Anything from getting financing in place, getting you an insurance quote, offering product protection that gives you peace of mind when you're on the water. We coordinate the delivery, we help you pick out a boat name, all of those things that really tailor your experience out on the water.
Downtime for clients on the water is not a good thing. There is not a maintenance need or a repair that we can't complete for our clients.
MarineMax Fort Myers really has everything. We choose what we sell, and we choose to support what we sell too. Not only you're buying the boat, but you're also buying the support.
One of the biggest benefits I would say for as far as mobile tech's concerned is for our customers, especially our seasonal customers, when they're out of town, they don't have to wait to bring their boat in. If we're able to go out and fix it, it just makes the return process of them getting back on the water a lot faster.
From the time the boat arrives here until the time it leaves, these guys painstakingly go through every system, through every detail, cosmetically, mechanically. We go through every process possible to ensure that they're getting a perfect product.
Our goal is to have a part on hand when our clients need it or our technicians need it. We also have a wonderful relationship with a number of suppliers that will allow us to have a part the same day that we order it.
Basically anything that you can think of we do with these boats as far as the techs, parts, and service, knowing that the customer's number one. And I think that's what makes us such a good team here.
On our campus, we have a standalone restaurant. It's a fresh twist on coastal casual with some of the freshest seafood that you can imagine.
Well, welcome to Deep Lagoon Seafood and Oyster House in Fort Myers here at the beautiful MarineMax Marina. There's no such thing as a frozen fish here. Everything is fresh. Come on in and give us a try. You'll love the food, you'll love the service, and you'll love the location.
2 years ago, we opened an ultra high-end member lounge that has shower suites and Wi-Fi access and a place to cool off. It is where our clients typically start or end their day boating. We also have a fully stocked ship store.
You come in, cool off, grab a drink, a snack. We use a Boat Cloud app so customers can utilize the app and request fuel or purchases from the ship store so we can have that ready. We can have their boat fueled up, ice, drinks, whatever they request.
We'd like to make boating as convenient, as hassle-free, and as enjoyable as possible. That's what we're trying to accomplish. If you'd like to experience in person all of the pleasures that boating can offer in Fort Myers, I would encourage you to stop by our location on McGregor Boulevard or visit us at marinemax.com.